How to know if someone is online on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can know if someone is online on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to figure out if someone is basically online on Snapchat, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all open the Snapchat app. Now you know that unlike Facebook and Instagram, that basically gives you this toggle of active now or the green dot icon that represents whether or not someone is active on their platform. Snapchat doesn't let you actually go ahead and do that. You know that Snapchat was actually designed for privacy. So if you can see the online status of other person, there is really no point in creating Snapchat in the first place. That is one of the things that are against the Snapchat rules. But you can still figure out if someone is online, but only if they are on your chat page, because when they are on your chat page, you'll most likely be able to go ahead and then find a little Bitmoji avatar from the bottom left over here. When you find the Bitmoji avatar from the bottom left like this, then you'll most likely know that they're actually active on Snapchat. So hope this video helped you guys understand how to figure out if someone is online. There isn't a direct way, but there are a few caveats to it. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.